Hey guys, I'm out at one of my customers' place, do a little fence work and build some steps. If you guys have seen this, I'm going to show you. I've done a lot of work around here. We did all this final grading, got the grass in, put this fencing in here, which, what's going on with this? Fences. On it. There we go. Put all this vinyl fence in. We did this walkway. It goes all the way through there, that little fence there, and around the side, back over around the side of the pool house. We screened in that porch. And all that mulch there down the side. Did quite a bit of work over here after this, the mother-in-law's house got built. And then we put this drive in here to get down to the pasture. Did all the grade work here around this tree, around the back of the house. We'll say hi to the donkeys. All this grading around here, around the septic tanks. Put that little vinyl fence up there to block the the donkeys are all talking, to block that septic so you can see that from the back porch. Now we're going to come in and build some steps right here so she can get up here and feed and pet the donkeys over the fence, the horses. And I got a couple horses, I don't know. Let's see, I see 5 donkeys. I think there's more. Got a lot of horses, some cows out here. Put in this motorized gate. Welded it all in, built it to match the existing fence. So I don't know if you guys use gates any, but these Mighty Mule fence openers, it's good stuff. A little battery box over there with a solar panel. All the controllers are over there. Put the lock on it because the horses tend to push on this thing. Actually, you can see down here they pushed on it enough to bend the stop on it. I'll have to bend that back when I'm back out here. Get over, climb over this fence. Oh, we put this culvert in here to catch that water. There was no ditch, so we dug a ditch down through here and put a culvert to pipe it back over here so that water can run on. I'll say hi to the donkeys. My donkeys. My donkeys. I know. We'll be mean, donkey. So there's a couple horses out here. There's the big boy. They probably think I'm feeding them. They'll all be running up to the barn here in a little bit, I'm sure. We're eventually going to redo all this road. Put some decomposed granite on it. It'd be easier for the horses to walk on. All this around the barn. Done a little work in this barn too. Redone some of the stalls, recompacted them. They had big, the horses get in there and paw out holes, fixed all that. Fixed a couple of the gates, welded up hinges, made everything work like it's supposed to. Oh yeah, let's see. I got a train following me. I think they're getting fed. They're all going to be upset with me because I'm not feeding them. Trying to see where. We repaired that section of fence. The cows pushed through there. I don't know if you can see, there's, I don't know, 3, 4 sections there. No, you're not getting out here. Get out of my way. Y'all not following me. Let's see. Yeah, you see how this fence, they pushed it. Get away. They pushed it out away. They're weaseling their way, so we need to come tie all that back down. Get through this gate without the horses bombarding me. Y'all stay up there. Yeah. It's got good strand wire at the bottom. It just needs to be tied up in some places. Yeah, it looks like we need to put a piece of pipe here and weld that back in. Just rust it out and see how it breaks off. So we'll fix that, get that welded back in, get this fence all pulled back down and tied off to that tie wire. In places like this where they've just been pushing on it. Get that fixed. There's a piece here. Looks like they tied hay twine around it, so we'll replace that section of fence, get it all tied back off. Really probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe five sections there. Just replace it. The rest of it down through here looks pretty good. Just tie that back up. Probably could bring his little tractor down here and clean out this. There's all that water coming down through here. You can see it's pushed all this debris up against the fence and just pushes it out. So get his little tractor down here and clean that out. Get that fence pulled back over where it needs to be. Let's go ahead and walk the rest of it. Looks pretty good down through here. The neighbor on the other side of the fence, he's got some cows. You can see them over in the distance. These cows, they want to get over there with those cows, so that's why they keep pumping through this fence. We'll get it fixed up, get it tied up, and get them back safe. It looks good all the way around. I'll walk back up there the other way. See what it looks like up there. Actually, as I was walking back up to the other section, I noticed he's still got turn you around. He's still got a pile of brush there from we cleaned out a lot of brush around those trees up there by the house. That's still sitting there, so I'll probably, when I'm out here fixing this fence, since I'll be out here and the animals will be out of this paddock, I'll probably just burn that and get it out of the way. You can see all the longhorns are coming around now. Donkeys are all up by their stall. They think it's feeding time. Poor animals. You see this section of fence here. We replaced it, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, and they've already been pushing on those longhorns, stick their horn through it. See how it's separated? Stick their horns through there and try to wiggle through. So we need to get that pulled back over and wired back tight. I had a whole farm following me. Yeah, it needs to be this whole way. Walk down this side. Yeah, all that looks good. I love it when I'm out doing a quote and I just got a pack of animals following me around. I love it. I can't remember all of their names, but that white one, that's Apollo. They named this little ranch Apollo's Landing. It's a pretty cool little place. As you can see, they got a lot of animals, especially this donkey. He's like, yeah. 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 There's 3 longhorns. I guess that's only longhorns I got. So yeah, that's we'll get this one knocked out the next couple days. Next time we'll get I don't know, it's probably half a day's worth of work. So next time we get a little gap in the schedule, we'll come over here and knock this out. He can fence them off from that pasture, so they'll be okay for a couple days till we get over here and get it fixed. So yeah, y'all stick around. I'll try to get some video on that. It'll be a little bit of welding and a lot of fence work. And then I got to build that little platform for her to feed the animals over the fence. I'll probably build that at the shop and bring it over here and install it. But we can do that anytime, really. All right, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for walking the pasture with me and seeing some animals. Peace.